Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Kerry. Today I'll be doing another unboxing for One Day Saving, which is an online craft store. One Day Saving have a very wide range of diamond painting, knitting and crochet supplies, including different crochet hooks, knitting bags and scissors. They have embroidery supplies, paint by numbers, cross stitch and nail art. I've decided to get some diamond painting this time to try it out. I've tried most craft in the past, but haven't tried diamond painting before. I decided to get some small kits to try out so it wouldn't take me too much time because I'm really very busy with the crocheting. I got a bookmark, a wind chime and a bird picture. Now, in the bookmark kit, there's a beautiful peacock bookmark. It's in leather. I've got the little tray to put the beads in and a tassel to go on the top of the bookmark. I've got the drill pen and there's some wax. And then there's a pack of all the different beads. The next item I got is a little bird wind chime. In that pack I've got the hummingbird. It's a two-sided one. And we've got the gems. And in the other part we've got the little tray, the wax, a crystal, some beads to hang from it, and the drill pen. So I'm really happy with those two. And in the last kit, I've got a bird picture. And once again, I've got the tray, the wax and the drill pen and quite a few packets of the gems to go on the bird. I have a discount code so you can get 5% off anytime you place an order with One Day Saving. The code is Kerry05 off. Now I'll put that in the description below along with links to these 3 products and a link to the One Day Saving website. I've found their products always arrive very quickly and you get what you've asked for. So thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.